Welcome back to another maths tutorial with Mr. B. Today we're going to look at inverse proportion. With inverse proportion, we're looking at the relationship between y and x. And with inverse proportion, y is proportional to 1 over x. And if we remember from our previous video, this little sign here that looks like a fish, that means is proportional to. With inverse proportion, as the value of x gets bigger, the value of y gets smaller. We can write a general equation for inverse proportion, and it's going to include our constant of proportionality k, just like with direct proportion. But in this case, it's going to be y is equal to k divided by x. Okay, let's have a look at a worked example. So in this worked example, we're asked to determine the constant of proportionality k if y is inversely proportional to x and y is equal to 20 when x is equal to 4. So the key part of the question is that it's inversely proportional. And this means that the relationship is represented by y is equal to k over x. If we already know some values for x and y, then we can substitute those into our equation, and it's going to give us 20 is equal to k over 4. And then we can just get the k on its own by multiplying by 4 on each side. Which is going to give a value of k of 80. And we can say that for this relationship, the constant of proportionality k is 80. Thanks for watching another maths tutorial with Mr. B. Catch you next time.